I registered for a conference. The registration was online. The conference was for 2 days. I was not able to attend both days. The first day I missed it, but the second day I was able to attend and I enjoyed that conference. At the end of the conference, there was a package, like a raffle draw, giveaway package. And the raffle draw was meant for only those who attended both days. Those who attended day 1 and day 2. For me, since I attended only once, I knew I was not part of the beneficiaries of the raffle draw. But I wanted to wait behind to see who and who were going to win these prizes, so as to congratulate some of my friends there who will win. Then we were waiting. After 30 minutes, nothing was happening. Everybody was wondering, what's happening, and the time was fast gone. So we were thinking, what could have kept them this long? And I had to walk up to them to find out what was keeping them, why they could not come up with the raffle draw so that we could just do and go. I now discovered that they were trying to fish out who attended first day and second day. You know, there is this master list they have. That is the number of people that registered. We were many, over 200 participants. But not all the 200 attended this function. Some persons attended the first day, while some attended the second day. And some other persons attended the 2 days. So they were trying to fish out only those that attended the both days. This thing was taking them a whole day to do. They were just looking at the list like this, just like this one. They'll say, this is Aisha in master list. Where is Aisha in day 1? They are looking for Aisha. Look at Aisha day 1. They will copy Aisha and put it here. Then they will look for Aisha again in day 2. Aisha, look at Aisha. Okay, so Aisha qualifies. Then I'll go back to Bola in day 1. They were just doing this one after the other. When I looked at this, I shook my head. I said, child, there is a wide knowledge gap in this Microsoft Excel, and we need to close that gap. Yes, we need to close this gap. I and you, let us be determined to close this knowledge gap. So I'm doing my part to share this knowledge with you. And your own part is to share this same knowledge with others by sharing this video. So you watching this video now, my part is to show it to you. My part is to create this video, post it for you to see. And your own part is to share it to at least one WhatsApp group. Then share it to your page, your FYP. Then come back to this comment section and tell me I have done my part. Let's see how we can close this knowledge gap. So now, look at what they were supposed to do. Within few seconds, they would have finished doing this. Now let me show you what they were supposed to do that they didn't know. Now look at your screen. This is the master list of all that registered. I'm limiting this to just 20 names for the sake of this training so that it will be easier for us. Their list, we were up to 200 and something. So that was a huge number, and that would have taken them a whole day to do. Now this is the master list of those who registered in the training. This is the list of those that attended on day 1. This is the list of those that attended on day 2. Now they want to fish out those that attended on day 1 and day 2, so as to bring them up to enjoy or to participate in the raffle draw. So now look at what they were supposed to do. So the formula is equal to, if, open a bracket and open a bracket again, COUNTIF, open a bracket again, select the range on day 1, the range of day 1, select it, then a comma, select the first cell on the master list. Alright, then close the bracket, then a comma, then continue. Don't worry, I will explain this formula later. count if, then open a bracket, select the range on the 2, a comma, select the first cell in the master list. That's because we are working on the first cell. Alright, then close the bracket again, put a comma, then select that same first cell again, a comma, then quotation mark twice, then close the bracket and press enter. We've gotten one name here, that is Aisha Bello. This is saying that Aisha Bello attended day 1 and day 2. Let's confirm it. This is day 1. Is Aisha Bello here? See Aisha Bello here. Then let's check day 2. Aisha Bello. See him. See her again, whether him or her. This is, see this person. So this is correct. Aisha attended day 1 and day 2. But if we drag this formula as we used to, we will get wrong answers. Can you see? It's just telling us that only 2 persons attended. So let me revert back. We will introduce what we call absolute referencing. We introduce absolute referencing. So how do you introduce absolute referencing? Select the range here, press F4. That's to add $sign. Alright, then this one too, select the range, the same thing, F4, and press enter. So if we drag now, it will give us the names of all those that attended day 1 and day 2. So the raffle draw was made for these people, not for everybody. And how many are they? You could just use filter to filter them, remove the blanks. So there are just 11 persons. So only 11 persons actually attended day 1 and day 2. So that raffle draw was made for these people alone, not for every other person. So this is the number they were trying to fish out that was taking them a whole day. Well, to you, you might also say that it took us some time while doing this. Yes, it took some time, but after you have gotten it that first time, you have to drag, and that makes it easy. So even if you have 1,000 names, your master list is 1,000. Just get it right at first. Once you drag, you see that within 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you are done. So something you can achieve in 1 minute or 2 minutes, can you compare it to something that will take you like 5 hours to do? Absolutely not. So this is the knowledge gap we are trying to bridge. That is why I have put up a training program for you to assist you in bridging this knowledge gap. The training is coming up on the 10th of May. It's an online training, just 1 day. I'm going to train you from beginners level to advanced level. It's a whole day training and you are going to love it. I want to use it to bridge this gap, this knowledge gap. So your own part of this resolution is to share this video to at least one of your WhatsApp groups and to your page here, so that more people can have this knowledge that you just got into. Then that training too, more persons can join and learn what you are about to learn. The training is going to be online, like I said. The link to the registration is on the comment section. So just go there, click on it, and register. The registration is going to end on the 8th of May. But that is on the condition that we have not gotten the number of persons we want. Actually, we have a limited facility to host all of you. So once we're able to get the number of persons that we want, we are going to shut down the registration website. So the earlier you register, the better for you. If you want to be among those that will be trained, it is better you register now. Because once we're able to get, if we get the number today or tomorrow, we shut down the website. No more registration. So I wish you all the best. Don't forget, share the video and come back to tell me that you have done your part. Type it in the comment section. Say, I have done my part. Let all of us put hands together to bridge this knowledge gap in Microsoft Excel. Yes, I promised to explain this formula for you. Now let me explain. The formula is actually in 3 phases. Yes. Now look at the phase 1. Phase 1 is from here. COUNTIF. We now selected the range of day 1. It means compare this day 1 to the master list. Compare this day 1 to the master list. If there is any name in day 1 that appears in the master list, keep it. Hold it to yourself. Just know that yes, I found a name that appeared in day 1 and it's also in the master list. Then we go to the second phase of the formula. The second COUNTIF from here to here. It also means check the day 2. If there is any name that appears in day 2 and that name is also in the master list, keep it to yourself. Just know that I have found a name in day 2 that is on the master list. Keep it, hold it. Then the third phase of the formula is this AND. This AND. This AND means the answer you got in the first phase, that is finding a name in day 1 that is also in master list, and getting that same name in day 2 in the master list, then bring out the name to this column where we have day 1 and 2. That is the work of the AND. The AND is telling the system, if the name you find here, you also find it here again, then bring it out to this column of day 1 and 2. If not, leave it blank. That is just what we have done. All this COUNTIF, this $, comma, all the blah blah blah. This is just a simple explanation to it. If you get this name here, hold it. If you get that same name here, then return it to this place. But if you don't get that same name here, don't bring it out, leave it blank. That is the grammar we just spoke, and that is why we have this result here. So I hope you are clear now with this knowledge. Please share this video to at least one of your WhatsApp groups, then share it to your page here. Then come to this comment section, come and tell me that yes, I have done my own part of this knowledge barrier we are going to break. I have done my own part. Type it there. I have done my own part. Let me see how many people are actually interested in making this knowledge to get to everybody. Don't forget the training that is coming up on the 10th of May. Don't miss it. In that training, all of this will be explained, and in fact, all the secrets of Excel will be exposed. So I'm going to expose the secrets in knowing Excel in that training. So catch you then.